Hello, and this is the first part of Taiwanese salt and pepper chicken. And first, we're going to start with the marinade. Now, the recipe has it for 2 pieces of chicken, but obviously, we're going to do a whole lot more. So, we're going to add first the garlic, and we cut up a whole bunch of garlic here. Obviously, the fresher it is, the better it is, and we have a whole bunch of cloves. So probably buy a lot. The more chicken you buy, the way more cloves there are. They're usually like 99 cents, so don't worry about that. Then we're gonna add the beer. I got myself some ice house because obviously we're just gonna cook in it, and it won't be that much. So since there's gonna be a lot, we're gonna pour the whole thing in. I know it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Obviously, if I have to, I will have to make some more. I bought 2 big things of it and a lot of stuff. All right. And then we're going to add Chinese 5 things, a whole bunch. That now salt and pepper, because obviously it's salt and pepper. Now they asked for white pepper, but we're going to use black pepper because I couldn't find white pepper. A lot of times you can find a lot of these ingredients in Asian markets. There's one by my house in H Mart, but it's really expensive. It's all the way downtown Chicago, so it's really hard to really get everything. A whole bunch of salt. Because remember, it's salt and pepper. Alright.